फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, ये कितनी दूर है? हाउ फार इज इट? हाउ फार इज इट? तुम मजाक कर रहे हो? आर यू जोकिंग? आर यू जोकिंग? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग नाउ। आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग नाउ। मुझे याद दिलाने के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी। थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी। किसी को बुरा मत बोलो। डोंट स्पीक इल टू एनीबडी। डोंट स्पीक इल टू एनीबडी। लंबे बाल आप पर अच्छे लगते हैं। लॉन्ग हेयर सूट्स यू। लॉन्ग हेयर सूट्स यू। मैं एक बार वहां गया था। I had been there once. I had been there once. मेरी बुराई करना बंद करो। Stop talking ill about me. Stop talking ill about me. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की। He never cared for me. He never cared for me. क्या हम यहाँ बैठे? Shall we sit here? Shall we sit here? मैं कुछ देर आराम करना चाहता हूँ। I want to relax for a while. I want to relax for a while. उसने एक नई ड्रेस खरीदी। He bought a new dress. He bought a new dress. मुझे क्या क्या लाना होगा? What all I need to bring. What all I need to bring. मेरे पास 20 रुपये कम हैं। I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. वो ऐसे ही बोलती है। That's how she speaks. That's how she speaks. भागते भागते बात मत किया करो। Don't talk while running. Don't talk while running. कहना आसान है, करना नहीं। Easier said than done. Easier said than done. वे मन ही मन मुझसे नफरत करती है। She inwardly hates me. She inwardly hates me. तुम ये सब कैसे जानते हो? How do you know all this? How do you know all this? क्या वो मुझे जानता है? Does he know me? Does he know me? यही तो वे कर रही है। That's what she is doing. That's what she is doing. यही तो मैं उससे पूछ रहा हूँ। That's what I am asking him. That's what I am asking him. मैं अपना काम खुद ही करता हूँ। I do my work by myself. I do my work by myself. वो आज सुबह देर से उठा। He wake up late this morning. He wake up late this morning. मैंने तुमसे ऐसा कभी नहीं कहा। I never said that to you. I never said that to you. मैंने यहाँ 10 साल तक काम किया। I worked there for 10 years. I worked there for 10 years. इससे आपका दर्द कम हो जाएगा। It will lessen your pain. It will lessen your pain. मुझे कुछ देर सोने दो। Let me sleep for some time. Let me sleep for some time. आपका फ़ोन कई बार बजा। Your phone rang several times. Your phone rang several times. उसे सर्दी आसानी से लग जाती है। She catches cold easily. She catches cold easily. ट्रेन अभी तक नहीं आई है। The train hasn't come yet. The train hasn't come yet. हर चीज़ की अपनी कीमत होती है। Everything has its value. Everything has its value. उनके पास करने को कुछ नहीं है। They have nothing to do. They have nothing to do. क्या आप कभी नहीं बदलोगे? Won't you ever change? Won't you ever change? यहाँ आपकी बात कोई नहीं सुनेगा. Nobody will listen to you here. Nobody will listen to you here. उसे कोई नहीं बदल सकता. No one can change him. No one can change him. वे बच्चों की देखभाल करेंगे. They will look after the children. They will look after the children. ऐसा ही मैंने किया. That's how I did. That's how I did. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. The weather is so nice today. The weather is so nice today. मुझे बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. तुमने बैग कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep the bag? Where did you keep the bag? मुझे बैग नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find the bag. I can't find the bag. ये पंखा काम नहीं कर रहा है. This fan is not working. This fan is not working. मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. वह यहाँ नहीं जाएगी. She will not come here. She will not come here. कोई नहीं जानता कि वे कौन है. No one knows who he is. No one knows who he is. ये तो हम पहले से ही जानते हैं. We already know this. We already know this. उसने मेरे पैसे नहीं लौटाए. She didn't return my money. She didn't return my money. ये काम कौन करने वाला है? Who is going to do this work? Who is going to do this work? मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with this. I have nothing to do with this. आपने इस पर कब गौर किया? When did you notice that? When did you notice that? अधिकारी ने क्या कहा? What did the officer say? What did the officer say? तुम अभी भी यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you still here? Why are you still here? जो हुआ उसे याद करने की कोशिश करो. Try to recall what happened. Try to recall what happened. महेश ने मुझे देने से मना कर दिया. महेश refused to give me. महेश refused to give me. इस बाइक की कीमत क्या है? What is the cost of this bike? What is the cost of this bike? इसमें कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? वह यहाँ क्यों आया है? Why has he come here? Why has he come here? उनके पास अभी भी 1 घंटा है. They still have 1 hour. They still have 1 hour. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? आप उस लड़के पर नजर रखना. You keep an eye on that boy. You keep an eye on that boy. मैंने कई बार उसकी मदद की. I helped him many times. I helped him many times. मुझे लगता है हम पहले भी मिल चुके हैं. I think we have met before. I think we have met before. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. मैंने इसे वहीं कहीं रख दिया. I kept it somewhere there. I kept it somewhere there. इतने दिन कहाँ थी? Where were you all these days? Where were you all these days? चलो यहाँ से चलते हैं. Let's go from here. Let's go from here. वे मूर्खों से बात नहीं करती. She doesn't talk to fools. She doesn't talk to fools. तुम्हें चॉकलेट किसने दी? Who gave you the chocolate? Who gave you the chocolate? आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ? What happened in school today? What happened in school today? इसे कूड़ेदान में फेंक दो. Throw it in the dustbin. Throw it in the dustbin. जल्दी से अपना खाना खत्म करो. Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly. आपको कितना चाहिए? How much do you need? How much do you need? कितने पैसे की आपको जरूरत है? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? आप अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? मैंने बहुत कोशिश की लेकिन सब व्यर्थ गया. I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. आपको ऐसे विचार कैसे आते हैं? How do you get such ideas? How do you get such ideas? मेरे पास समझाने का समय नहीं है. I don't have time to explain. I don't have time to explain. हम साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे. We will work together. We will work together. यहाँ आने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to come here? What was the need to come here? मुझे दर्जी के पास जाना है. I have to go to the tailor. I have to go to the tailor. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. उसने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है. He has done nothing wrong. He has done nothing wrong. मुझे आपकी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं है. I don't believe your words. I don't believe your words. इसमें दिमाग खराब होने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to spoil mood? What's there to spoil mood? तुम क्या छिपा रहे हो? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? वह मुझे कभी भी कॉल कर सकती है. We can call me anytime. We can call me anytime. आप यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? ये साड़ी आपके लिए है. This saree is for you. This saree is for you. ये विश्वास करना मुश्किल है. It's difficult to believe. It's difficult to believe. उसने बहुत ज़्यादा शराब पी ली. He drank too much. He drank too much. वह अकेला घर चला गया. He went home alone. He went home alone. तुम्हें कुछ भी पता नहीं है. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है. There is nothing to worry. There is nothing to worry. उसने इसे यहाँ से बाहर किया. She did it out of here. She did it out of here. मुझे नहीं पता था कि उसे कैसे बताऊं. I didn't know how to tell her. I didn't know how to tell her. मुझे इसकी ही जरूरत थी. This is what I needed. This is what I needed. मुझे आम खाने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like eating mango. I feel like eating mango. मुझे वहाँ ले चलो. Please take me there. Please take me there. डिनर का समय हो गया है. It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. तुमने उसे झूठ बुलवाया। You made him tell a lie. You made him tell a lie. आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can you do that? How can you do that? ये कैसे काम करता है? How does it work? How does it work? मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आऊँगा। I'll come after a while. I'll come after a while. मैं उसे लेने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to pick him up. I am going to pick him up. ये किस समय हुआ? At what time did it happen? At what time did it happen? उसे ऐसा क्यों लगा? Why did she think so? Why did she think so? तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. मुझे एक मौका दो। Give me a chance. Give me a chance. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. मैं अभी बाहर हूँ। I am out right now. I am out right now. मुझे कुछ पूछना है। I have something to ask. I have something to ask. मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत है। I need you. I need you. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? सो दैट्स फॉर द टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोज मिलती रहेगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।